This here is a model showing you the various structures of the skin. At the top is the epidermis, below that is the dermis, and then the hypodermis or subcutaneous layer. Coming into the skin, you can see the root of the hair. Above the surface is the shaft, but this is the root, the hair root. At the bottom it swells, that's called the bulb, and that's where the hairs are growing, and you see blood vessels providing nutrients there. The hairs are contained in this diagonal shaft called the hair follicle. Attached to that is a piloerector or erector pili muscle that makes the hair stand up. Other models might even show nerves making contact. That would be a hair receptor. This one does not. Associated with the hair is the sebaceous gland. This is shown here, cut open. This produces sebum. Here's another one that's not cut open. Additionally, you can see other glands. This is a sweat gland, also known as a sudoriferous gland. This is a general merocrine sweat gland. This is another merocrine sweat gland that's cut open, so you can see inside the duct as it leads to the surface. Another model might show you the apocrine sweat gland, and those are found in special regions of the body, such as the axillary region. There's several nerves that you can see here. This is the Meissner corpuscle that will detect light touch. Here's another one. And then this is the Pacinian corpuscle, much deeper. This is detecting pressure. Of course, there's lots of blood vessels in the hypodermis, and then they enter into the dermis. Blood vessels do not make it into the epidermis. You can see these little regions here. This is called the dermal papillae. And in your book, you'll learn that's where areolar connective tissue will be found. But then everything below that will be more of a dense, irregular connective tissue. You could see the layers of the epidermis, although it's hard to distinguish all of them, but simply the top layer is shown easily here, the stratum corneum, and in the very bottom layer, the stratum basale is shown. So those are pretty much the parts of this model.